Okay, this is our landscaping contract in Saval Park Gardens, Dalkey. It's a small garden, so we included a lean-to along the side passage. We used silver granite paving and we created doors both ends for security. The silver granite continues on through the garden in the form of risers, granite paving and granite cobbles surrounding the lawn. We had to contend with a heat pump which we softened using the risers, 2 planters with rosemaries, Wexford beech pebble to cover all the surfaces, a nice large entertainment area outside the new patio doors, raised bed planted with lavenders, hydrangea annabelles, and we have lighting throughout in the form of stainless steel lights, a barbecue shelter, hardier planting in the back there using pittosporums, skimmias and epimediums. A lovely mature garden, this fantastic planting. Also have a 42mm synthetic grass lawn in which we countersunk lights to pick up the mature plants. This garden really comes into its own at night time. We have 14 lights going throughout. And also the clients are very happy with the results, which is the most important thing. Thank you very much.